Yo, what's up guys, this is Bar Bragman here from IQOptionWiki.com. Today out of my little hotel room of Jakarta. Today we're going to talk about a leverage, how we use it and how we can use that into our advantage. Let's dive into our website. We have an article about how to use leverage and whatnot. I can use there two very good examples. Basically what leverage does, it is a multiplier in the IQ option platform. It's also called the multiplier. And Forex is very well known for leverage, very well known for high leverage, up to 1000x, or some platforms go even higher, but then it becomes more gambling. Even 1000x will be already 1000. Pretty much gambling. Anyway, leverage, what it does, it multiplies your investment. If you zoom into here, the image here, you see a $100 investment, and you gain with a 100% gain, a 100% or a 1000% return, because it's magnified 10 times. So that means if you invest $1, it counts as $10. Now, in that way you can, with a smaller account, trade bigger money, but actually you're trading, in this case, actually what you're doing, you're trading with $1,000 instead of $100. Now, this is the regular leverage, 1x. That's what you will get if you don't use leverage. You, for example, the price moves up 1% by John. And then with a $100 investment, 1% will be a $1. And then Steve, or Stephen, uses 10% leverage, and he gets 10% from the trade, and he makes a $10. So in that way you can multiply your investment with 10 times. That allows you to make more money with a small account. It's also risky, because if we take the next image, if you look at Steven here, he invested $100, but it's 10x, and then it goes 100% against him. That means he loses his total investment. That's what's more riskier about leverage. That's why I always recommend not to take too much leverage. Just take small leverage, like 3x, 5x, maybe 10x. Depends also on the asset, because Forex moves quite slow. That's why Forex is always, Forex traders always use higher leverage, because the movement in Forex is kind of slow, because they're small currencies. That's why Forex is well known for leverage trading. Now, how we set that up in our IQ option platform. I'm currently, it's currently weekend now, so we cannot trade. I have no connection right here. But anyway, I can still give you the example for showing the leverage. First of all, if you open the assets, you have here, it's called multiplier in the top here. This is for example, Bitcoin x 100. So that means the movement on Bitcoin, but then magnified 100 times. I know some guys who made a really big amounts with this 100x. In the early ramp up with Bitcoin, they leveraged out 100x, and they were able to make big amounts of money. But what is more safe is 3x right here, the dash, and you have also Bitcoin 10x. But if we set up the Bitcoin here on the right sidebar in your IQ option platform, you can set Bitcoin also on 3x, 5x, and 10x. Leverage trading is used for short-term traders, usually not for longer-term traders, because with longer time frames, your account can be wiped out quicker. It's more for the quick return, the quick gains. It is very risky. That's what I wanted to make sure in this video, that you understand that leverage is really risky, because you have to think, if I invest $1,000 in Bitcoin with 3x, that means you're actually investing $3,000. So that means you can lose those $3,000 pretty quickly. And it works the same with a 5x. It means you are now trading with, if you're invested $1,000 with actually $5,000 of Bitcoin of investment, and also with 10x you're actually investing a $10,000, multiplier 10. And Bitcoin even has the 100x. That means if you invest $1,000, you're actually investing $100,000, and that goes really quickly. You can lose that also really quickly, because if it turns against you and you lose everything, that's why it also has the automatically close function. By so much percent, your trade will close out, and that's why I recommend to try to avoid high leverage. This is what I talk about today, just leverage. It's risky, but if you use it in a good way, you can use it in your advantage and make bigger profits with a smaller account. Thank you for watching, happy trading, and like and subscribe.